Hey, Kerry Knoll here again, and I just wanted to give you a quick shout out to a new product coming out soon that's called Bot Badassery by Robert Stukes and Sean Anderson, as you can see on the screen. Basically, it's a new course on how to run Facebook Messenger bots effectively through all the trial and error that Sean and Robert have gone through the past year. And I know Sean's legit on this. I follow Sean all the time, and I know Sean had talked about messenger bots last year, and he was one of the very first guys in the industry to really talk about messenger bots and how they worked and what they are capable of and how to set them up so you can get the most out of them. And they're finally launching a public course. His courses that he had done before were all private to his own list, and he never went public with that knowledge or information. Now it looks like, he's finally decided that it would be a good idea to get this out there to everybody, and that's what they've done now with this new launch coming here. So what it is basically it's a course that has basically 8 modules. And in the first stage, he goes over why messenger bots and setup. So the first module is pretty lengthy in detail, and he talks about why messenger bots are useful and their advantages. And then in Module 2, he talks about ManyChat walkthrough, and ManyChat's a service that they use all the time, and it's probably the best chatbot service out there because they're pretty cutting edge and they're always working continually on launching new methods and products around ManyChat with the Facebook Messenger bot. So they're on the cutting edge with Facebook, and they're constantly working with Facebook to make sure they're compliant and everything else. And then Module 3 is some growth tools, and then Module 4 is the ManyChat setup, the actual how did we get this going and operational within your business. Then in Stage 2, they talk about ads, targeting, and broadcast, right? So they talk about in Module 5 ad transparency and simple targeting. And then in Module 6, they talk about JSON ad. Now JSON is the actual coding script that is used to program a bot, but you don't have to know how to program anything. Everything is drag and drop, plug and play. But then if you know a little bit of JSON coding, that they give you some added benefits, and you can make a couple tweaks and changes to the actual JSON code so that you don't have to, A, know how to program, number one, ever, but B, if you know a couple of these little nuances that they're going to teach you about JSON coding, then you can up your game, and you can really take the bots and make them that much more powerful for yourself. And then Module 7 is the messenger reference URL. That just cover that and why it's important. And in Module 8, it's messenger bot broadcasts. This is like similar to instead of like an auto follow-up sequence, this would be when you decide that you got to announce something out there to your messenger list. But of course, one of the beauties to, really what bots are now, or what this bot thing is with Facebook Messenger, is essentially exactly the same as an email marketing service autoresponder, right? Where someone clicks that they want to get a message from you, they get a follow-up message. Then they ask in that follow-up message maybe a question that you either type yes or no or something like that, and when you give an answer that, based on whatever criteria is set up, it gives you the next message in the sequence, whether it's for yes or it's for no, or whatever the question might be. And then, of course, broadcasts are just when, people don't interact with that message. That's just a message blasted out to everybody on your messenger list. So I'm putting together an awesome bonus package that you'll have to take a look at below this video. But, I guarantee you it's going to be one of the best bonus packages, again, that you're going to find for this particular product. And this is only going to be available for, I think, 4 days. I think it's going to be available for just a 4-day launch. And the front end, I can tell you, is $17. And then he's got an upgrade to the actual program. And I'm not exactly certain what's all included in that because I hadn't gotten that information yet. So you have to take a peek at it. I'm going to try to find out, and then I'll let you guys know in an email when I send out the email. But I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys, kind of give you an introduction to what Bot Badassery is all about, who's behind it, why you need it. This doesn't replace email marketing, by the way. This just enhances email marketing. This gives you better opt-in rates. This just gives you better engagement. This gives you just another touch point with your audience or with for your client's audience. I mean, you could definitely sell this as a service to people, to clients that you have. This is actually a very good service to be offering because nobody's offering it at this point probably. And you could be one of the first to offer it and get paid month after month to manage and create their auto response setup for their Facebook Messenger, and then all the sequence of messages that are going along with that. So, don't look at this as something just for you, for sure. Look at this as something that your clients can benefit from. And, there's just not much else I can say about it other than, you ought to be considering picking this up because this is the next level of basically digital marketing and building lists and helping yourself build lists and helping your clients build lists and get the most out of the people on their own lists, right? All right, so I found out that upgrade number 1 is a complete messenger bot strategy and automation course that details how to use them for specific applications like affiliate marketing, selling information products, selling physical products, and the last but not least, the big one, which is list building. Upgrade number 2 is a complete done-for-you bot and Facebook ad suite. So you guys can literally just plug and play and have everything you need without having to think about how to create anything or without having to come up with your own ideas about what you should be saying in those messages. It's just all done for you. So, if you're thinking about really getting this, I mean, I can't stress enough how important it would be to pick up upgrade 1 and upgrade 2 because you really want a complete done-for-you solution. You don't want to have to reinvent the wheel and try to figure out what exactly converts well and what you should be saying when they've laid it all out perfectly and they've done the testing and figured it all out. So, it's definitely something I would consider picking up. I'd pick up probably upgrade 1 and upgrade 2 if you're going to pick up the front. All right, guys. Well, remember, if you ever have any questions, just hit me up. You can email me back to the emails I send to you. You can hit me up on Skype. You can hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Take a look at all the bonuses below this video and make sure you click that buy button when it becomes available at the lowest possible price, because I guarantee you after the 4 or 5 days that this is launching, it's going to be upwards of $97 probably on the front end. So it makes complete sense and it's almost a no-brainer to pick it up now. And like I said, you're going to love it. Your clients are going to love you for it. Alright guys, with that being said, I'll talk with you soon. Take care.